So I'm back at it again here from the casting couch, or not really the casting couch, but you know how it is. It's for my, well, bedroom slash bed slash couch. I got some pretty interesting packages in the mail because I've teased it a bit. Kind of, not? I don't know. In early videos, if you've been watching, you've probably seen it. So I got the packages in the mail today. So let me just flip you around here so you can see what's going on here. Okay, there we go. So we got two packages here. This one here, you can see already, and this one here, also some speed parts. This is a pretty large one, also pretty heavy. This was even heavier than this one. So what should we tackle first? Well, let's tackle this because big surprises always come in small boxes or something like that. I don't know. That's some kind of a family recipe, or I don't know what that is. And using a professional cutting tool today. See if this actually. Would you look at that? Budget tools for the win. There we go. Okay, I can already see something I do recognize over here. This is some ordering papers. Okay, so I got some cardboard. That's nice. Nice firewood. I don't know. Alright, so this is a very, very crammed box of pretty much everything. So, this is a big unboxing here. These are PowerFlex bushings for the steering rack for the 9000. Yes, every single piece in here, except for some, is for the 9000. So, that's some nice things. Here we got some O-rings for the oil pump. Here we got some, those brackets for the brake calipers. Here we got some, these are for the front sway bar in poly urethane. These are the kit for the repairing the exhaust manifold studs, which desperately the 9000 needs. Of course, a full gasket and nut kit for the turbo. A thorough bearing. I needed that because mine was shot. Some different copper washers and a sump plug. These are O-rings for the water pump. This is the big main seal for the rear main seal. So that's the big one. This, I guess, is the front main seal. Yes, it is. And this is the top cover or valve cover gasket, which I do already have like 3 of, but I ordered another one just to be sure. This is a timing chain, the upper rubber sitting in the valve cover to prevent it slacking hard into the cover. So got one of those because the chain on it is good, but this part here was never changed, so this one was bad, so it's a bit loud. This is either for the 9.5 or 9,000. I believe if we got 2 of them. This is for my 9.5. I'm guessing then this is for 9,000. This is for the 9.5. So that's the parts I got. Oh, hold on. This is also for 9.5. So that's 9.5 parts. This is also another idler pulley for 9,000. This super expensive sealant here, which you have to use on machine surfaces. This here you need to have. You cannot use black like this one here. You cannot use that on the surface this is meant for. It will just end up leaking. This is expensive, but it's worth it. Another one of those. I believe these are for the rear. Yeah, these are for the rear. Bleed nipples for the front calipers. And the O-ring for, this is, I'm guessing, a oil cooler. Yep, that's so. 9395. Well, I'm guessing that fits. I don't know. We'll find out. Guide pins for one of my calipers. I ordered just one of these by accident. So I got a friend that got another one for me. So that's nice of him to bring those for work. He got it for free, so That's nice. Black sealant silicone thingy for whatever surfaces that does not use that kind of other sealant. So this is for like in the corners of the head or the valve cover gaskets and stuff like that. It's nice to use that. O-ring for the... Oh yeah, that's for the fill port, I believe, on or it's fill tube for the engine oil, I'm guessing. Serpent belt. This is a let's see, what's the length of this thing? Non-branded. Up the belt, 24, 20. Also, hold on. This is for the 9.5. This is for 9,000 because my 9,000 also runs an AC delete. All right, so this other stuff. Another one of those for the oil cooler. And that's pretty much it for the small box, I'm guessing. This is... Oh, these are some expensive parts. Believe it or not. ABS sensor. I need both because someone has one. Oh, I think I need both. I bought both just in case. Someone chopped the wires of one of the sensors, so I don't know what happened there. There's another one for the other side. Okay. What is this? Oh, okay. Yes, that's a outer what is it? CV joint? Because the one that's in it now, it's clicking and making some horrible noises. So, got one of those. This is a caliper, or wait, hold on. Oh, front brake pads. That's nice. You needed those. Nice box though, to have it in. It's very, very big. I'm guessing those are some like universal boxes that Speed Parts has, just to put the parts in. This I do not like to see, Pro Parts, but you know, that's how it is. This is a brake caliper for the rear, because mine locks up when you engage the handbrake. So this is a new one of those. Does it have the sliding pins? Oh, it does. Nice. Alright. So, got one of those. Should be better than what's on it now, that's for sure. There you go. This is not everything. I have another package arriving in the mail soon, so... This here is the wheel bearing. Oh, another small package. What is this for? Oh, something. I guess I'm gonna find the part number, check it out what it is. Oh, another nuts, that's nice. Oh yes. A rare, complete hub and wheel bearing assembly. Because mine has a broken ABS ring. That's why I bought the whole thing, because I'm guessing this ABS ring cannot be replaced. So, but, you know, I have to replace when you're in there anyway, so the other one is good on the other side. This here is a top quality. Quality parts is our passion. Well, if you bought a DI cassette from Pro Parts, you know exactly what you got. This is the charcoal, I believe it's charcoal filter for the ACC system. Those pollen filters that Saab installed in the 90s on these cars. So I ordered one of those. They were not that expensive, that's why I bought it. I see a intake gasket, I'm guessing. No, this is the exhaust gasket actually. Actually fits every engine, every 16 valve engine from the 84 and up. That's nice. And this Well, they gave me 2. I'm guessing this just gave me 2. Well, nice. I got 2 of those. And something in here. This is a. That's the oil. This is the oil fill tube. Well, that makes sense. The size of it. This is the for the chain tensioner. And this here is, well, I'm guessing, the heaviest package in the box here. And that can only be one thing. And yes, that's new rotors. Because the rotors are shots. So nice. Those are not that big, but they're big enough, I'm guessing. Nice. All right, so this fun is over. This is a small package. Let's see here. I'm gonna throw every of the big things in here first. Okay, so these gaskets can actually just go in here. I'm guessing where they were. A weird material using on the gasket. I believe the 9.5 uses a metal gasket on the intake. Well, there we go. There we go. I'm guessing this one here was something. I don't know. I'm just guessing here now. Speed Parts is probably better packaging, better packaging than me. So lots of nice stuff, that's for sure. Very exciting. This Easter will be nice because it's going to be spent in the garage, making my 9,000 great again. Another one of those Serpent belts. Another one here. There we go. Alright, so I'm guessing that was all. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, almost. There we go. This is the next package, which I'm guessing I'm not going to be able to cut open with a screwdriver. Or, hold on. Well, I'm going to see if we can get this open by not using a knife. Well, not as easy as I thought. Oh, hold on. There we go, that's one of them. Here's another one here. Another one there. I'm guessing it's gonna slide up this other one. There we go. Biggest packet here. Oh! This takes up all the space here. Oh! Oh wow, there's a head gasket in here also. Why would they stuff the head gasket in this box? Oh, hoping that didn't get any damage. Oh, looks good. Yep. Head gaskets. Nice. And yes, this is actually very exciting because I can look at it and see it's super large. Even has a flex on it. Nice. Mine doesn't. My flex is completely broken. Wow, those are some massive clamps. Holy crap! And so just to say something, I've never experienced a 3-inch exhaust on a Saab. I've experienced a 3-inch exhaust on a Tahoe, but not a Saab. So this, okay, so it has a step down adapter here to go to a, I believe this is a 2.5-inch to 3-inch. So this already is a restriction right here. So if I want to do a full 3-inch, I'm guessing I will have to cut this right here, make a 3-inch pipe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And I'm going to get a fuel range for it. Wow. Man, that's a that's a massive pipes on that thing. How does the tip look? I've never seen JT exhaust. This is a JT, by the way. I've never seen them in real life. So, oh wow. What is that? 4-inch with a little resonator thingy inside the muffler here. That is nice. I cannot fit my hand around these pipes. They are massive. Holy crap. Well, this is definitely going to be the most exciting part to mount. This is nice. Wow. This here pipe here is for the cars which has the catalytic converter moved to underneath the engine, because I believe some 9000 had it more towards the middle, but my 9000 has it under the engine. Well, what we used to be a catalytic converter is at least there. So put these on here just to protect it somewhat. That is nice. Well, that is, I'm guessing, the unboxing end of this video. But more packages will arrive. Yeah, this looks to be... what is it, stainless? It cannot be. No, it cannot be. But it's very nice welds, though. Very nice welds. Nice. Oh, it's so exciting. This is going to be loud, that's for sure. Even though this middle... the rear muffler is super massive compared to the actually the stock one, I'm guessing it's gonna be loud. I believe you can buy this with only one muffler also, like the 9.5s, but I selected the 2 muffler one because of approval circumstances, and I do have neighbors, so yeah, this is very cool. It's a massive pipe. Wow, I'm just amazed of how big the pipes are. Yeah, I'm amazed because I have never experienced 3-inch exhaust before. This is so exciting. Oh my god, I can't wait to start on this build. Yeah, if you can't tell, I'm really hyped about this. Really hyped. And I can tell you, the next package arriving is also some performance mods. So not that big of a package this, because this is mainly everything I need to get that car through inspection. But there are some other things there that is meant for, well, looks and performance. So also I got a new set of summer tires for that car, and I know someone commented on my last look at the 9000 and commented that I put on some riser wheels and riser exhaust, and that's true. The wheels were not maybe fitting for that car, but they were, I don't know, they were cheap. That's why I bought them. And needed desperately at that time. I didn't have that much money to use on the car, so I got those for cheap. Very good price. So what I got this time, I got also 17-inch wheels, but from some brand that's supposedly pretty good, with almost brand new Continental Conti Premium Contact 6 rubber on them. 225 45 17. So that's gonna be nice. Driving on new rubber. Nice. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more Saab 9000 content. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cool.